great day to be a girl named Desiree, and thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. I am Desiree Chanel. So in today's video, we are finally doing my braid out here. I know it's taking me so long to finally film this video. It's just doing braid outs are already long enough, especially on wash day. So this thing took me 2 days to do. Like, it was ridiculous, but we are here now, and I finally show you guys how to get this super luscious, fluffy, defined braid out. Now, just a disclaimer, I like a little bit of frizz. I don't mind it. In the midst of definition, my hair is short, so I'm kind of all about volume right now. So I know it just comes with the territory of having short hair. So I do list all the products I use down in the description bar. I'll also, put my little pop-up pictures in there so you guys will know where to get them. I'm getting ready to head out for the day, so I just wanted to come and make this really super fast and quick. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell all your friends about me. And of course, hit that little bell so you never miss an upload. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So don't mind my face. I am doing a clay mask right now, but I already dried half of my hair. Now the way that I am drying my hair, like, I'm talking so funny. The way that I'm drying my hair, I'm not using the comb. I'm using the tension method, and it's not even enough that you can call it dry because I still have some damp pieces. It's just enough so that my hair is not so wet, because this is my hair with no product in it on this side, straight out of the shower. What I do when I'm in the shower is I section it in threes, I detangle, and then I clip it up, and then I use my microfiber towel, and I take the rest of my shower. So I'm just gonna show you what I do to get my hair dry enough so when I do my braid out, I get the most length possible. So I have my blow dryer set to the highest fan, and I'm gonna use warm, and I'm only gonna keep it on there for maybe about 45 seconds to a minute. Okay, now that I'm done with this ratchet blow dry, it looks so bad, but it's dry enough to where I can work with it. I'm just gonna part my hair where I want my part to be. I don't part it after I do my braid out, so I'm gonna part my hair where I want to be, and then I'm actually gonna start on the braid out. So I'll come back to you guys once I'm in the front, that way we can finish together. So here we are with the last little part. So I like a side part, so here's the part. I don't make it super straight or anything. I like my hair going to the right side. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my last section, and then I will see you guys in the morning for the takeout. Okay guys, so it is the next day. I've already completed most of my braids. Like I told you guys last night, well, early this morning. I did them really small, not intentionally. So that's why I have so much just body and definition, because my braids were really small. So I have 2 sections left, and this is how I separate my sections. I put them in a bunch of little ponytails, and then I separate them individually. So I'll just be showing you guys how I separate these, and then I'll come back once I have the finished look.